You are presently a design and construction manager with Ward and Boak Construction Limited of Bourne End, with whom you have worked since you graduated in 2016 from the National with a BEng first degree in engineering from the National University of Ireland, Galway. The projects included in your report, presentation, and which were discussed at your IPR interview, all related to the design and construction of pipelines, both in the matter of hydraulics and in the pipe structures. Your technical expertise is in water supply, sewage treatment, drainage and networks, and your employment type is contracting and construction. Your reviewers were more than satisfied that you met the attribute requirements for IEng. You satisfied all the attributes requirements for IEng. Health, safety and welfare attributes were acceptable, but your reviewers considered that you could have been more proactive in ensuring the risks were better understood from the outset by your site workforce, and that your company was more proactive in seeing that the workforce understood health and safety, what was required from them on health and safety during site safety induction times. Your SD attributes were also acceptable. How you met the SD attributes was also acceptable, but your reviewers felt you could have been better prepared to answer how you personally implemented SD objectives, brackets, as laid down as defined in the 3 cornerstones and in the UN requirements. But overall, your reviewers are satisfied that you meet the requirements of the attributes, all the attributes of the IPR, and are pleased to recommend you be invited to become IEng MICE. Attribute 1, understanding and practical application of engineering. In your presentation, you described your work as project manager, designer and site agent for the design and construction of emergency works for Yorkshire Water to bypass a weir which Scour had undermined and was believed to be in imminent danger of collapse. Brackets, Niagara Weir emergency works, close brackets. Your roles under CDM 2015 were those of principal designer and principal contractor. Your solution for the problem was a pumped water bypass comprising pumping sumps a 900 diameter pipe to form a bridge and carrier to contain 450 or 450/600 diameter pumping main. Insert after 900 diameter pipe that was procured and delivered from Ireland, which you organised, spanning some 200 metres over a watercourse. You designed the hydraulics, supporting pipe and ground supports, open brackets which were Cat 3 checked, and the temporary works for the installation of the pipe bridge. Particularly noteworthy were the safety arrangements we made for detaching the supporting slings after installation. With the arrangements you made for the safe detaching of the supporting slings after installation. On other projects, you designed and procured a spider for the support of the pumping main of the main tunnel and the pulling system for the pipes, calculating the friction force to be overcome and applying an appropriate factor of safety. The 3D BIM drawings of the components were particularly interesting and noteworthy. You were also involved in the design of a dry water flow brackets DWF close brackets channel in the invert of one of the main tunnels. Your reviewers are satisfied that you meet the requirements of the attribute, understanding and practical application of engineering at the IEng level.